Our genes hold the secret to what makes us strong or sick. Scientists around the world, from the US to France and Saudi Arabia, are studying people's genes to develop new ways to treat diseases from cancer to diabetes. China is betting it can build its genetic database faster than everyone else and plans to collect samples from 1 million people in the next 3 years. In this government-funded lab, researchers are studying samples drawn from cancer patients. The goal is to map their genes so researchers can conclude what led each patient to become sick and then develop tailor-made drugs. But it isn't easy. Genetic diseases like cancer can be caused by glitches in dozens of genes. The more genetic samples one has to study, the better the chances of decoding which glitches and in what genes contribute to a certain disease. That's where China has a unique advantage.
We have a large population of patients with a variety of diseases. And the Chinese patients, they are willing to participate in such research-oriented projects.
A US-trained Chinese scientist, Dr. Yang is on a quest to find which glitches and where affect colon cancer patients. A drug company will eventually use his findings to try and design more personalized drugs. China's big data collection is posing new challenges. For instance, analyzing genetic samples can take terabytes of storage space. In the US, data from patients is uploaded to a common cloud server hosted by Google. But for now, China hasn't decided where its data should go.
Data storage and data processing is already the bottleneck for this type of project. So we are buying more and more storage for this type of data.
Data collection is just the first step, and it only paves the way for new treatments, methods to diagnose disease, and other innovations. That alone could take years. For now, the US leads in medical breakthroughs. For China to jump ahead, it will have to translate its efforts into new drugs and discoveries.